This is the biggest apple tree. From here, I see apple tree. Look for Jamaican apple, man. Oh, to eat the apple, Scotty.
Son, look this up.
Apple like crazy.
The coding will big.
How we are going to get it, Scotty? And the big purple one, I want to know it's sweet. Wow. Look at apple. Jeez. This is apple. Apple glory. Oh my God. Me love apple in the Scotty. Me love apple bad. Look here, man. Jeez. Now use the camera. Hold this on with the camera. Ah. Woo. This one is so. Yo. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. The one you squeeze up, man. My God. Scotty big. Look there, man. You don't want the one that's Scotty. You're not ready. Put your hand around here so Scotty, the big one. Jeez. Don't make him jump, Scotty. Come, come, come. No, come down more. Look. Scotty, you have picked the wrong one, man. Hold on. Come here, go catch it. Hold on. One at a time, Scotty. Drop. Watch it. Come. Look, I was just driving past and I see this big onion. I don't see anybody, so I just went over and picked me some apples. Look at them. Them so red and juicy. I'm going to enjoy them apple here. Need some water to wash them.